Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about KMU-CAT second test 2025 Biology MCQs Quick Revision Part 5th. Dear students, if you need MCQs for KMU-CAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. Dear students, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। The neutral amino acid is option A lysine, B proline, C leucine and option D histidine. So the correct option is C leucine. Leucine side chain is non-polar and uncharged at physiological pH. The amino acid containing a hydroxyl group is option A alanine, B isoleucine, C arginine and option D threonine. So the correct option is D threonine. Threonine has a hydroxyl group in its side chain. Dear viewers, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from early technologist. NH3 is removed from the brain mainly by option A creatinine formation, B uric acid production, C urea formation and option D glutamine formation. So the correct option is D glutamine formation. The brain detoxifies ammonia by converting it to glutamine. The albumin globulin Ag ratio is option A strength of proteins, B ratio of serum proteins, C ratio of ceruloplasmin and option D none of these. So the correct option is B ratio of serum proteins. The albumin globulin ratio compares concentration of these two major serum protein groups. The mechanism by which NH3 is removed from the kidney is option A urea formation, B uric acid formation, C creatinine formation and option D none of these. So the correct option is D none of these. Kidneys excrete ammonia primarily as ammonium ion. Proteins that carry iron into different tissues are option A ceruloplasmin, B transprotein, C mucoprotein and option D glycoproteins. So the correct option is C ceruloplasmin. Ceruloplasmin is a copper containing protein that helps mobilize iron. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. The normal range of serum urea is option A 0.6 to 1.5 mg per deciliter, B 9 to 11 mg per deciliter, C 20 to 45 mg per deciliter and option D 60 to 100 mg per deciliter. So the correct option is C 20 to 45 mg per deciliter. This is the typical reference range for blood urea nitrogen in adults. The normal range of serum creatinine is option A 0.6 to 1.5 mg per deciliter, B 9 to 11 mg per deciliter, C 20 to 45 mg per deciliter and option D 60 to 100 mg per deciliter. So the correct option is A 0.6 to 1.5 mg per deciliter. Serum creatinine level normally fall within this narrow range in healthy adults. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from early technologist. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Which among the following is an essential amino acid? Option A, cysteine, B, leucine, C, tyrosine, and option D, aspartic acid. So the correct option is B, leucine. Leucine is one of the 9 essential amino acids that must be obtained from food. Which among the following is a basic amino acid? Option A, asparagine, B, arginine, C, proline, and option D, alanine. So the correct option is B, arginine. Arginine has a positively charged group at physiological pH. This amino acid cannot have optical isomers. Option A, alanine, B, histidine, C, threonine, and option D, glycine. So the correct option is D, glycine. Glycine lacks a chiral center is its R group is just a hydrogen atom. Sulfur containing amino acid is option A, glutathione, B, chondroitin sulfate, C, homocysteine, and option D, tryptophan. So the correct option is C, homocysteine. Homocysteine contains a thiol group in its side chain. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Human immunodeficiency virus destroys option A, cytotoxic T cell, B, helper T cell, option C, B cells, and option D, plasma cells. So the correct option is B, helper T cell. HIV specifically target CD4, helper T cell, disabling the adaptive immune system. From two amino acid, peptide bond formation involves the removal of one molecule of option A, water, B, ammonia, C, carbon dioxide, and option D, carboxylic acid. So the correct option is A, water. Peptide bond formation is a condensation reaction that releases H2O. Dear viewers, if you like this video, please सब्सक्राइब माई यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Polymers of more than 100 amino acids are termed option A, proteins, B, polypeptides, C, both A and B, and option D, none of these. So the correct option is A, proteins. Polypeptide over 100 residues are generally called proteins. Peptide linkages are formed between option A, nucleotides, B, amino acids, C, glucose molecules, and option D, sucrose. So the correct option is B, amino acid. Explanation is peptide bonds connect amino acids and protein chains. Thank you for watching my videos.